Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the AUXITO switchback blinkers for the WJ. Now these things are excellent quality. They've even got little fans on top, and let me just show you guys what they look like, and we're going to be walking through the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys the exact quality of the headlights, or I'm sorry, blinkers, and exactly how good they look at night and how bright and everything. So let's look at that right now. These are the blinkers. Like I said, these are switchback blinkers. Very good quality. Very, very good quality these things are. They have a little fan on top, a little cooling fan. They're just a regular plug like that. Just your old-fashioned regular plug for the blinkers. They go right here, right on the plug as normal. Slip right through the hole, same thing. Now, let me reverse this for you. Let me show you exactly how to take this off. Now, when you're going to be coming to take off the headlight, you're going to have a bolt right here. It's going to be a very long 7mm bolt. 7mm to pull this guy out. And then pop it out of its joints. There's a joint right here, and there should be one straight back there. And once you get that out, you just pop the headlight housing out, and it should pop right out. And then once you get it out, you slide it back out. Once you get them out, you will have your bulbs, your plugs exposed. Blinker, this is where the switchback is going to be. These are the running lights, the running amber lights. So we're going to be putting it in here, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what's up and exactly how good these things actually look. But like I said, these are AUXITOs. Very good quality. I'm always impressed with the quality of AUXITO, that is for sure. Always impressed. They never seem to fail me. Every time I've used them on my Jeep and everything, they have always been the best of quality. But alright, let's get to installing them now. Alright, here they are right there. You just press them right in. They'll go right in. Good to go. Now all you have to do is reverse that process. Put it right back into the hole. And then just find it and tighten it. Good to go. Okay, now let's put her back in and let's see how they roll. Alright you guys, this is it right here. With both of the blinkers installed, as you can see. Light oranges on the outside, and then dark oranges on the outside, sorry. And then light yellow in the middles. Go ahead and hit it. Really, really bright. These things are really, really bright. Look at that. It's almost like a fog light's coming on. These things are so bright. Man, that is crazy. And then they both come on. Hit it again and then turn it back off. And then look at, they come on now. That's how these are. Very nice. Very, very nice. I highly recommend these, you guys. When you're on the street, these things will blind you, but they will get the other person to see you. That is a fact. The other ones were so dim. Nice and bright. Switchbacks. Exactly, yes. Switchback blinkers. Sorry for the wind, if you can hear the wind. big difference other than these original stock blinkers, which are very, very dull. Of course, original, not LED, far from it. So regular and then LED with regular. So you get the best of both worlds, OEM and aftermarket. I think it's pretty nice. I hope you guys do too. I will have the link in the description for these bulbs. Again, these are AUXITO bulbs. I will be doing the other side also and getting these in. Really nice bulbs. I really think you guys will like these. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So as you can see, it's just going to be white as a running light. That's all it's going to be. And then they have two different colors because they are switched back. Like I said before, they got white and they got amber. The white is going to be your running light. And the newer Jeep Grand Cherokees, they got a see-through lens down here. It's not amber, it's see-through. And those lights are going to be showing up as a bright white. And with the older WJs that still have the amber, those will be showing up as a yellow because it's a white bulb shining through an amber cover. Now, thank you again to AUXITO for the blinkers. I'm down to do more for you guys, and yeah, thank you. Like I said, I've enjoyed them. They're really nice, and they're gonna do very well, and they're gonna keep me that much safer on the road because they're that much brighter. So this is Fun Automotive, and again, I will catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.